Hello Fly Babies, it's me FlyLady Kat, and I am here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, so we have a 3-layer cake. Layer 1 is routines, so we're going to get up and do our routines. Layer 2 is your free day, and layer 3 is zone 5, the living room. So let's begin. Everyone get up before the family and do your morning routine. Yesterday I did a video in my live chat about being ready for the game, and that means preparing in your mind the day before so that you can get up and do these things, have the right amount of time scheduled, know what your steps are, and if you don't know what your steps are, make yourself a list so you can see until those become ingrained in your mind. It's like practicing for a piano, or it's like getting ready for a football game or any other competition. You have to be ready for the game. Okay, so we're going to get up and do our morning routine. After we do our morning routine, we're going to get the children up and put them through their morning routines. If you have animals or a garden or something else that needs a little attention first thing in the morning, now's the time. Now, for our working payroll Fly Babies, they're going to get in your mode of transportation, whether you're driving or riding with someone else or riding on public transportation, and you're going to enjoy your ride to work because you know everything's in place at home. When you get to work, you're going to greet your coworkers, friends, employees, get yourself a hot beverage, maybe a glass of water, take it to your nice clean desk, sit down with your control journal, open it up, and begin your day. Now your break and your lunches are the times that you're going to think about and plan what you're going to do during the week. Yesterday was Monday, and you started thinking about the basic weekly home plan, the home blessing hour rather. So the home blessing hour has 6 parts because we do our paper routine daily. I don't make the magazines part of the home blessing hour. So you've got your strip your bed, you've got dust, you've got empty the garbage cans, you've got vacuum, you've got mop, you've got clean the spots off of the glass. That's it. And so each one of those is only 10 minutes because we're not doing a deep clean. Get that in your mind before you do it. Don't get in there with your old habit. Get in there with your mind and do the weekly home blessing hour where you're blessing, not deep cleaning. Okay, so if you haven't been able to do that, which more than likely you haven't because you work at least 8 hours plus travel time plus lunch hour, and you have kids and other family, commitments, then you can't do an hour when you come home, or you don't want to, I'll say that. So what I've encouraged you to do is do 10 minutes a day, Monday through Saturday, or delegate those things. Somebody else can empty the garbage. Somebody else can wipe the spots off the glass. Somebody else can dust with a feather duster or a Swiffer duster. Somebody else can mop the kitchen and the bathrooms. Maybe somebody else can vacuum or dust mop your house. Maybe somebody else can even strip your bed. I probably wouldn't go that far. I would do my own bed. Okay, and I'd probably do my own vacuuming and floors just because I think it's a little bit more of a complicated job for young kids. But they can. They absolutely can. And at 9, 10, 11, 12 years old, they can start doing those things as well. All right, so if you're not delegating, if it's by choice or you have no children or anyone to delegate to, and listen, delegating to the kids is not being mean. You're training your children in the way that they should go. So when they are old, they will not depart from it. You're teaching them how to clean in an easy way on a weekly basis that, this isn't the deep clean, this is just what we do to straighten up and make it look better, right? So you're teaching them. Delegating a little tiny job, like a 10-minute job, is nothing. You're not being mean to your kids. But if you don't have kids or you choose not to delegate for whatever reason, then go do 10 minutes when you get home. Also, the third layer is your zone. And so the zone this week until we hit the first of the month is the living room. So what the plan would be is when you get home today, maybe you can do that, either 15 minutes or 10 minutes, and that's it. Okay, so let's look and see what your day looks like. After the end of the day, you're going to clean up your desk, you're going to go home. Now, when you get home, I want you to stand right there for just a minute because I'm going to bring the people who are at home up to this point. So at home Fly Babies, what you're going to do is when you finish your routines, your morning routine and the kids' routines and the animals or the whatever, then you're going to start your laundry and go through an inch of paper. right? And then once that's done, you're going to go to the second thing. Today, it's your free day because you're not home, fly baby. You have a free day. So this is a day to think about what you're going to do to pamper yourself, right? And usually on your free day, I don't ask you to do your zone. This is your free day. So I want it to be a completely free day. So if you want to do your zone, you can. Typical Fly Lady does say do a zone, but Kat Fly Lady says don't do a zone. It's your free day. You can get it done 4 times a week. You can. All right. Okay, so we're going to come together. It's that our payroll fly babies have come home, and they're going to put in their laundry and go through an inch of paper. Now we're going to let the payroll fly babies are going to do some work. So you can choose to have this as a free day as well. If you've delegated, you don't have to do anything today. Just enjoy the day. But if you've chosen not to delegate, then you're going to do 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing hour, or you're going to save your weekly home blessing hour for Saturday. Now you're going to do 15 minutes of declutter in the living room if it's still cluttered, or 1 cleaning thing in the living room if it's still cluttered, or save it for Saturday and have an hour's worth of work. Now that's 2 hours, right? And if you have to do buy groceries on Saturday, it'll be 3 hours. But you know what? It's natural consequences. Do it now or do it Saturday. That's your choice, okay? All right, so after dinner, what are we going to do? We're all coming together. We're all going to have our family help us clean the kitchen. It's a happy time to have dinner together. It's a happy time to clean up with dinner together. Being together is a happy thing, so enjoy that. And then after that, we have before bed routines. Yours or the kids, whoever's the tiredest, most tired, and plan for tomorrow. Don't forget to get up for the game tomorrow. Look and see what's on your agenda. Have a fabulous day, everyone, and don't forget that you are beautiful. Bye. Thank you.